Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the ANASTASIA PRISM palette as well as a tutorial with the whole face. I'm shook. I just want you to know that is the eyeshadows that I'm wearing today. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to join me on this journey because have any suggestions on the future video? Let me know down below in a comment. And yeah, please subscribe down below to my channel just so you can be a part of the fam, and hit the post notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload. Let's get going. We're gonna start with the PRISM palette. Ooh. I got all these palettes because I need them in my life. And right now I think the PRISM palette is actually on sale at Sephora and on their website. So oh yeah. Go ahead and do the brows. I know you guys have been asking me about my brows. I'm gonna take just a spoolie. This is just the one that I got from Sephora. And I'm just gonna use some Fix Plus. And I'm just gonna run it through some soap. So I will leave down the actual video I did last year, I believe, or the year before on soap brows. Now I just do them a little bit more differently than before because now I've grown them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my spoolie. If you can see the difference already, it just gives you that effect on the brow. As you can see, the brows are already looking super full, and I just let the soap just dry a little bit before I move on with the actual product. While I like to wait, I just like to curl my eyelashes. If you guys would like me to do like a real specific video on how to blend just a simple eye look, for today I'm just gonna use Ka-Brow, and you guys know what Ka-Brow is. This is basically the pomade for Benefit. And this is in the color 3. I like to tap it with my brush. This is actually an Anastasia 12 brush. And I like to go like this, like I have it downwards. And I like to basically just go up and up and up. And I'm going upward motions to make the brows look a little bit more full. As you can see, that already did quite a bit. As you can see, that just kind of did a lot for the brow. What are the music that you guys are listening to right now? Right now, what I have on repeat is the Greatest Showman album, or I have Camila's album on repeat, or I have like Cardi B playing, or the Pitch Perfect soundtrack. I have all of those playing right now. I'm gonna go back in with the spoolie and I'm just gonna push. I'm gonna go like this. Pull them upward. I feel like once you do that second coat of the brow gel, it just makes them look way better. I like to clean them up with concealer, with my Lexi 209 brush, as well as my primer, which is, you guys know, is MAC Soft Ochre. I live for the ochre. If you guys don't like it super clean, you don't have to. I know some people definitely don't like that look, but I like a clean brow. Even though they are messy, I need them to look clean. Well, I just leave this right there. As you can see, it just looks more cleaner, and obviously you can tell the difference of the brow. And then from there, I like to just go in with my Morphe E8 brush. It's a really small brush. You can use this for concealer. You can do this for like small, like everyday looks. Just like small areas where you want to conceal or foundation or whatever. But I'm just going to use this, get a little bit of the soft ochre paint pot, and I'm just going to blend. Apply this on my lid, and then I'm just going to start blending this out. I'm connecting it from the brow bone, and then if you don't care, then you can go a little bit higher or whatever. Like this look. If you guys don't like that look, it's fine. Do them how you want them. Okay, let's move in with the palette. I'm going to take the Morphe R37. It's my favorite, like, big old fleshy brush. I'm going to take the color Unity. This one does not have that much fallout like the last one. I don't know why I couldn't really get the word fallout out of my mouth. I'm going to put this, again, up here into the crease, and we're going to blend right there. See it depending on your primer or depending on your skin tone as the first shade, but I just know this is going to be a good base as well as a transition for me. I have the Morphe M441 brush, so I'm going to take the shade Lure, right there. And this is a cool mauvey pinky color, I think, in the artist palette, which is a very old palette, by the way. They had a color like this. I don't remember what it was called, but it's similar. Take that color Eden right here, right there. It's a little bit lower. Wow. R20 or R30, but I'm gonna take the shade Saturn right there. It's like this gorgeous orange. It's like a yummy orange. I'm gonna really put this one into the crease. Now to really deepen the crease, I'm going to take the color Parallel. It's this color down here. I just cut the crease real quick. And I'm going to apply. I love this color down here. I love this color down here. I love that color. I love that color. I love that color. I love this color. I just don't know what to do. And last one I did kind of like that color. So I feel like this time I should do color. I'm gonna do Throne. Throne, Throne, Throne. This is this color right here. I'm gonna keep on patting this in because I just love this color. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Obsidian, and that's this black color down here. It's another black. You know, they have their staple blacks from this collection. With my brush. I'm gonna apply this to this side. I'm going to apply my Curly Queen lashes by Jasmine and Laura because I love them so much from my last video. And I will be right back. The eyes are done, you guys. I just want to show you what the eye looks like with like flash. You see how like glittery my eye is. Like, see that? By the way, if you guys want my thoughts on this mascara on the Lash Paradise, I do like it. I feel like I need a new one because this one I got like a dud. Or my sister gave me a pink one. So we'll see. I need to just prep the lips with the Jouer Lip Enhancer. As you can see, this beauty blender gets so big. I am freaking awed by this Flower Beauty, you guys. It's amazing. I haven't used it for foundation completely yet because I'm still testing it out, but so far I like it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Just toned away. Tabitha and Eugenia have left the building. They have flattened and we are saying goodbye to them. R.I.P. Bye. Alright, and today we're going to continue to try the Jouer Super Thick Essential High Coverage Foundation. But today I'm going to test out the color Latte to see if maybe this is a better match. This is the color I like. And I got the one lighter. At least I tried it, okay? You know, I don't really like the brush with the nose. That's why I go in with my beauty blender, whatever. And then for the nose, I'm just gonna use the beauty blender, even though I should use the brush. You can see with the sponge, it doesn't absorb as it absorbs way more product than if you were to use a brush. I have my small brush, the Morphe one. And I'm just gonna blend it with this one because I do want the coverage. You guys see RuPaul's Drag Race? Because yesterday I was shooketh, okay? If you guys are watching RuPaul's Drag Race this season, please let me know who are you voting for? Who is your favorite? What part of the freaking show got you shook for the first episode? Because Aja and my makeup looks so fucking good, bitch. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take some of my favorite powder, my Fit Me. Now you guys, if you guys want me to do like my favorite brushes, or at least my favorite Morphe brushes, because almost everything right here is Morphe, like almost. Because I don't see any. Oh my god, I don't see any pores. Oh my god. In Jiffy, I'm going to quickly do my bronzer blush and highlight in 1, 2. Ooh, yes girl, yes. So, I'm gonna share with you guys how I got the bottom lash line right over here. Let's zoom on in. Taking the actual little brush that it comes with, I'm gonna take the color Obsidian with the shorter shaded brush. I'm gonna take this one first, and this is very pigmented, let me tell you. But I'm gonna put this to my lash line right there, bringing it forward. Now I'm gonna take the color Parallel, which is the brown, and it's gonna go right on top. I'm just gonna diffuse it a little bit. And now I'm gonna take the little Morphe E18 and taking the colors. So this one and this one right here. And then after you go ahead and do the lash line, it's pretty much done. Just go ahead and blend out the edges here. And then I'm gonna take my little pencil brush and take the color Dimension. A little bit of Dimension and then a light tap of Lucid. Just more Dimension and a light tap of Lucid. And then this is gonna give us the nice inner corner. Like a beautiful blue duochrome yummy piece of delicious. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with Kylie Posey K. I'm going to reapply my Galactic Matte Lip Paint in the shade Posh. Alrighty guys, so here is the entire look using and reviewing the amazing Anastasia Prism palette. I have been obsessed. This is probably one of my new favorites for the year. I know I'm late because this is a holiday palette, you guys, but this palette is really good. I just can't. The Subculture did have a little bit more fallout, but I do really like the tones in this palette, in that palette, as well as this one. This one's a little bit more different in the color family, but I do really love them. The mattes, yes. The shimmers, oh, yes. Everything, I highly recommend this palette, you guys. This is a good ass palette. I love Anastasia, you guys. And she just dropped today that she's gonna do a collab with Amazing. Oh my god. Another one. If they're gonna come out with the palette, I need them to come out with the palette again because I didn't get that. Right now, I believe that this is on sale for $35 at Sephora or Ulta. And on their website. So I'm not sure, but I know this is on sale right now. I believe if you guys should get it, definitely get it. Definitely recommending that. As for anything else, I do actually like this color foundation. If you guys like this color or my previous color Fawn, I think I might just buy Latte as well because I love the coverage. Seriously, this foundation is probably one of my favorites. Today I applied a little bit less, but it's still full coverage. I'm just shook it. Yes girl. If you guys like these first impressions, reviews, kind of videos, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below to my channel, and join the fam. Come on down into the hissing y'all. So yes, be sure to hit the post notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload. And yeah, that is everything for today. I am obsessed. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial because I loved it. That's everything for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Hasta luego.